Hi there. In this video, we're excited to show you how to use the XStore slider to build a stunning and impressive websites. Stay in touch with our community by subscribing to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram channels, and visit our website for more tips and tricks on using the XStore theme. Sliders play a significant role in the design and first impression of your website. Our team has developed a built-in slider feature with more than 50 pre-built designs, eliminating the need for any additional plugins. To begin, you need to create slides. To do this, navigate to the dashboard, then go to XStore Slides, and click on the Add New Slide button. Upon the first load, a library of pre-created templates will open. Here you can preview them and import the ones you like. Edit the content you receive according to your preferences, replace the demo images and text with your own, and save the changes. As an example, let's create another slide in the same way. Now we have several slides that will make up the final slider. Go to Pages and edit a page with Elementor. On the left side of the screen, among the available elements, find the XStore slider and add it to the content area of the page. Select the slides in the Items tab and configure the carousel settings, such as choosing effect, slides per view, enabling autoplay, setting up navigation, and much more. In responsive mode, check the result on tablets and mobile devices, and if necessary, you can go back to editing slides and make adjustments. Save the changes and review the final result. Your website will now be more impressive, leading to increased sales and revenue. If you have any questions or need assistance, please visit our support, and our dedicated team will be happy to help you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing XStore theme and join our community, and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube.